In today's video, I'm going to teach you how to convert HTML to PDF using Adobe Acrobat. This process is quite straightforward and takes only 5 minutes of your time. First, ensure that you have Adobe Acrobat installed on your computer. Once that's confirmed, let's get started. Start by opening Adobe Acrobat. You can do this by double-clicking the application icon on your desktop or by finding it in your Applications folder. Having Adobe Acrobat open is essential because it provides all the tools and options needed for the conversion process. Next, move your cursor to the top left corner of the interface where you will see the menu. Click on this menu to reveal a list of options. It's important to familiarize yourself with these options, as they often hold the key to many tasks you can perform within Adobe Acrobat. Here, you'll find various functionalities, but today our focus is on creating a PDF. Now, hover over the Create option in the menu. This will expand into a submenu where you need to select PDF from web page. Clicking this option will lead you to a new window where you'll be able to input your desired web page URL. In this window, you have the opportunity to type or paste the URL of the web page you wish to convert into a PDF. Make sure that the URL is correct, as any errors here may prevent the page from loading correctly. This step is crucial because it determines the content of the PDF you're about to create. Once you've entered the correct URL, you can set your conversion options. These options allow you to customize how the web page will be converted into a. You can choose to print only specific sections of the page, decide on the layout, and even adjust the quality of images. Taking the time to adjust these settings can tailor the PDF output to your specific needs, ensuring that it meets your expectations. After setting your desired options, go ahead and click Create. This action will initiate the conversion process. Adobe Acrobat will fetch the web page and begin converting it into a PDF. This should take only a few moments, depending on the complexity and size of the web page. Finally, once the conversion is complete, you'll want to save your newly created PDF. Choose a folder location on your computer where you'll easily find this file later, and click Save. It's a good idea to name your PDF something descriptive that will help you identify its contents at a glance. And there you have it. A quick and easy way to convert HTML to PDF using Adobe Acrobat. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to check out our other instructional videos for more helpful tips and tricks.